The ingredients we will use are oil, ground beef, noodles, tomato sauce or ketchup, and salt.
How much ground beef do we need?
It depends on how many people are going to eat. That makes sense?
Yes, perfect sense.
To boil water in a pot. Add some ground beef and put in the pan. The quantity will depend on how many people will eat. Then we beat the ground beef until it's done. Water has boiled, we add some oil. We put the noodles in the water and we wait until it's done.
Then we pour the noodles into the strainer and we drain all the water.
We add some salt to the ground beef.
We need a little bit or a lot?
A little bit's okay.
Okay.
Then we serve the ground beef with the noodles. Do you see what I mean?
Yes, we have to mix all the ingredients. Am I right in thinking that we have to add some tomato sauce or maybe ketchup?
Yes, we add it later. Once we have put the ketchup, the plate is ready to eat.